Okay guys, same again, but now I'm going to introduce two rotors. So, rotor 1, same as what you've seen before. This coil's not working very well, that's why he's drawn back. They just haven't got heavy enough wire and enough of it on there. That's the whole primary out of a microwave and 30 gauge. As is, that one is a whole primary and 30 gauge, and that's a copper one, 2024 by Filer, and works well. Heavily wound, that's more like 700 on there. Okay, so, and that's going to be run off the batteries, 48, 50 volts, about 50 volts. Okay, and if I get this rotor going, so power should be enough to get rolling. Come on, go. Okay, let me get that going pretty quick. Not a lot happening yet. Won't give it too much yet. Let's get the other one started up. So battery on, everything off, check, yeah. Okay, this is so I start crapping myself. Okay, and give this a spin. Whew. Okay, let's get the big coil out and do the same. I'm a little bit nervous. That scares the crap out of me, that does. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Hold up. I didn't have this one fully maxed out, so let's do that. Starting to happen a bit more in there. Okay, let's get this rolling. Spin on. Is that cool or what? Okay. Easy now. That is a tiny bit more crazy. Alright, good fun, I enjoyed that. It scared the crap out of me, I enjoyed it. Cheers guys, see you later.